Hi aspirants, welcome to your single minute channel. Before moving to the next slide, we are going to see the simple intro about the session. Today we are going to learn 14 important days and their related infos. I repeat, totally we are going to learn 14 important days and their related infos. Okay, let's get into our session. Static GK, Day 6, Important Days, March month. March 15. What day? World Consumer Rights Day. Related info: rising awareness about customer rights and needs. Next, March 16. What day? National Vaccination Day. Infos: This day also called National Immunization Day. March 18. Ordnance Factors Day. Infos: OFP was the second largest defense equipment manufacturer in Asia. March 20. International Day of Happiness. Related info: established by UN General Assembly on 28th June 2012. Again March 20. What day? World Sparrow Day. Related info: to raise awareness and protect sparrows. Again March 20. What day? World Oral Health Day. Infos: it was launched by FDA, World Dental Federation, on 20th March 2013. March 21st. World Forestry Day. Infos: this resolution was passed on November 28, 2012 by UN General Assembly. Just a recap of first 7 days what we learned till now. March 15, World Consumer Rights Day. March 16, National Vaccination Day. March 18, Ordnance Factors Day. March 20, International Day of Happiness, World Sparrow Day, and World Oral Health Day. March 21st, World Forestry Day. Again March 21st, International Day for Elimination of Racial Discrimination. Infos: in South Africa, this day was called as Human Rights Day. Next, March 21st again. What day? World Down Syndrome Day. Infos: to create awareness about Down syndrome. Again March 21st. What day? World Poetry Day. Related info. This day was declared by UNESCO in 1999. Next, March 22nd. What day? World Water Day. Infos. To raise awareness about significance of water. March 23rd. World Meteorological Day. Infos. To commemorate the World Meteorological Organization, which was established on 23rd March 1950. March 24th. What day? World TB Day. Infos. To create awareness to the public about tuberculosis. March 27. What day? World Theatre Day. Infos. It was initiated by International Theatre Institute, headquartered at Paris, France. Just a recap of last 7 important days which we learned. March 21st, International Day for Elimination of Racial Discrimination. Again March 21st, World Down Syndrome Day. And again March 21st, World Poetry Day. Totally March 21st, there are 4 days we have to remember. World Forestry Day, International Day for the Elimination of Racial Discrimination, World Down Syndrome Day, World Poetry Day. March 22nd, World Water Day. March 23rd, World Meteorological Day, World Meteorological Day. March 24th, World TB Day or World Tuberculosis Day. March 27th, World Theatre Day. Now we learned totally 14 important days and their related infos. It's time to practice. How? There are 3 ways. Just click the link in the description. I repeat again, just click the link in the description. I repeat once again, just click the link in the description. Or type usingleminute.blogspot.com followed by click practice set 06 or simply type bit.ly/usingleminute ps06. Alright aspirants, let's do the practice what we learned. For instance, I do my practice. Please do subscribe the channel for further updates or notification related to static GK. Thank you.